Jinan Changhao Machinery Equipment Company, Limited, has been established for more than 20 years and is located in Shandong Province, China. We supply performance excavator hydraulic breaker hammer with high impact power and high durability into worldwide construction mining market. Our company specializes in the production of hydraulic breaker and hydraulic breaker hammer parts. We produce all type of hydraulic breaker and can customize excavator hammer for different customer requirements. Each hydraulic breaker hammer that we produce has been grimly tested, strictly controlling every quality process in production, and ensuring to deliver the best products to our customers. We have complete production equipment and testing equipment. The products are made of special alloy steel through strict heat treatment control, precise CNC equipment processing, and exquisite detection means ensure to provide users with high-quality, high-strength products. At present, it is supplied to many well-known breaking hammer enterprises at home and abroad, and is highly praised by enterprises. The exported products have also been highly recognized by customers. We sell to many large-scale metallurgist mining company, railway company and many other construction companies inside China and abroad. And we also cooperate with many famous brand breaker manufacturers at home and abroad, providing them high-quality spare parts. Look forward to our further cooperation.